Hello everybody, this is Ed, and today we're checking out a cell phone case. This is the TORRAS shockproof magnetic for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's go ahead and check this one out. This is your quick start guide, instructions on how to install the phone, and you can scan this for more information about this product. Here is the case right here. I really like this color right here. Let's go ahead and put it on the phone. There we go. All right, so here is the case right here. And the first thing we want to talk about is this ring here. This tool right here is really great. So screw it in your hand. You can also, there's your stand here. You can also bring it all the way down and it will hold there. So you put it like this. So put it like that. So you got a variety of different angles. Very versatile device here. Really like that. This stand right here is not a gimmick and it just folds away. Protection for your lenses here. So you have accurate cutouts down here and right here. Has a 1.5 millimeter raised bezel. So you're able to put your phone down like this and not have to worry about your screen on the surface. Features an N56 SH neodymium magnets and MagSafe technology. It is optimized for magnetic accessories and wireless charging. So let's go ahead and check that out. I have a MagSafe charger right here. So let's go ahead and place this on the charger. There it is. Here is a car mount here. And very strong hold on this car mount. So you don't have to worry about it when you're driving. It's gonna stay on the mount. So if you're looking for a case for your S26 Ultra, wireless charging, MagSafe with a stand, check this one out.